Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to log into KeyBank account online. First of all, go ahead and open up your web browser on your device and in the search box at the bottom type in key.com. Once you do that, you'll end up in the official site for KeyBank. Click on the sign on button at the top right corner and then click on sign on once again to log into your existing online banking account. If you don't have an account yet, you can enroll by tapping Enroll in Online Banking and following through the prompts. After you tap the sign on button, on the next page, you'll be asked to enter your credentials. Type down your user ID in the first text box. On the next field, write down your password for your bank account. If you don't remember your password or your credential, tap on Problem Signing On and follow through the instructions. If you have your credentials correct, you can tap on Sign On and just like that, you'll be logged into your KeyBank online banking account. After you're logged in, you can view your balance, transfer money, pay bills or manage your account, all in one place. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.